I came home to a PR package. Guys, I literally look insane. I'm gonna give you guys an empty house tour. This is the living room. So obviously you guys are gonna see like moving vlogs. Guys, I literally look insane. I just got home. I went and I worked out and then I put a face mask on and I look like a clown right now, but I'm about to go shower because I feel disgusting after working out. That's why I put the mask on. Did some cleaning and I'm gonna clean a little bit more. Super nice outside. But yeah, we're just gonna go shower and get dressed because I feel disgusting. But my workout class was really nice. Had fun. Workout routine coming really soon. So also watching RuPaul's Drag Race. I've been obsessed, guys. I love RuPaul's Drag Race. So this is what I'm currently watching. So basically, I think we're gonna go see the house that we got, and then I'm gonna get a pataya bowl, an acai bowl or something, and that's what we're gonna do today. A few things, but I just wanted to like check in. Yeah, I'll show you guys my outfit. And my outfit's kind of hard to see, but I'm wearing this like puff balloon sleeve denim jacket from Fashion Nova. Bag is a Gucci bag. My top is from Rue 21. My leggings are Lululemon, and this is the outfit. I'm gonna give you guys an empty house tour. This is the living room. This is the door when you come inside. And then right there is a coat closet. There's the washer and dryer. That's like our pantry where we're gonna put our food. And then this is the kitchen. I love it so much. Sorry about the echo because obviously it's empty. And then there's a back porch. And then this is the hallway that you come in. This is my bathroom. As you guys can see, this is the bathroom. Obviously everything needs to be cleaned, etc., etc. And then this is the hallway. Everything has like grayish floors. This is a 1-bedroom. This is the master. It has a bathroom in there. This is my room right here. This is my room. And yeah. And then in here is my beauty room. So I'm gonna have a beauty room. This is the beauty room. And yeah, this is the house. I'm super excited, and I'll show you guys like moving vlogs. So obviously you guys are gonna see like moving vlogs when I move and decorating and everything, but that is the empty house tour. I came home to a PR package. Oh my god, I need to like do a full unboxing. There's so many hair masks, makeup, skincare, face masks. I can literally grab all these and look, I can grab even more. You still can't even see the bottom. There's lipsticks, now you can, but there's so many. Oh my freaking god, there's like lipsticks, skincare. Wow, I'm shook. Okay guys, so I want to show you what I got at the grocery store. So I got this Red's chicken and cheddar burrito as 17 grams of protein. So this is like from the organic aisle, and I got this. And then I also got some like a taco kits right here to make like tacos. I'm gonna put like some vegetables and stuff on it. And then I finally got this, which I'm so excited. This is uncured Canadian bacon. So this is actually called back bacon in Canada, but here it's called Canadian bacon. So basically it's fully cooked. It's basically bacon, but it's all the stuff that's not the fat in bacon. And yeah, I can't wait to have this. And I got these yogurts. These are the Yoplait yogurts. I like this for breakfast. I got the Steam Fresh pasta with vegetables. These are really good. I got 2 of those. I got green beans, broccoli, and then I got some granola. My mom got some like tater tots and stuff. And yeah. Show you, I got this shampoo and conditioner. I got this conditioner because they didn't have the matching conditioner. This is the Love Beauty and Planet. It's a tea tree shampoo. Really natural. I like to use natural and organic products like even on my skin or my hair. So I got this, and then this was the conditioner. It's just like tea tree. And I'm gonna try it out and I'll let you guys know. And right now I'm about to do a face mask. This is the Origins Clear Improvement Charcoal Mask, and I'm gonna do that right now. Guys, this is my lunch. So I basically just made a taco salad. I've been really into tacos right now. So I just put some lettuce, some beef, some cheese, and then I'm also gonna put some hot sauce, and this is going to be my little taco salad for lunch. Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to love me when Hey guys, so this is my outfit. I'm just going to get an acai bowl. I'm just wearing this top from Target. These leggings are, I think, Old Navy. My bag is Chanel, and my shoes, I'm just wearing like these sandals. It's like Birkenstock style sandals. This is what I'm wearing to go get an acai bowl. Okay guys, so the first thing that I got is this ginger lemon shot. It's a wellness shot. So basically it's supposed to help like with anything with your stomach, inflammation, just any of that stuff. So that's what I got, and yeah. Then I got this acai bowl, so it just has basically acai, PB Lights, granola, strawberries, honey, bananas, and chocolate almond milk. So this is what I'm gonna have for breakfast, and then I just did that shot, and yeah, this is what I'm gonna have for breakfast. For better or for worse, I know there's a place to secret getaway where I waking up in the morning, I can't remember yesterday with you. Set myself in the silence. Alright guys, so I just got out of Ulta and I got the Cake & Crystal Gardenia, and it's super pretty. Look at the box. The box is like super sleek and nice. So this is the fragrance, and I'm gonna open it up for you guys. You can see prettiest crystal bottle ever, and it smells super good. So this is what it looks like, and yeah, this is so cute, and it comes with little crystals, and it just says the KKW fragrance clear quartz awakens an amplifier of energy, brings balance and alignment to all areas of the mind and body. This is so cute, and I feel like it's really cute. And then it comes with little crystals. Waking up in the morning, I can't remember yesterday with you.